What if I told you that right now there's a new traffic source quietly replacing Google, and almost nobody's paying attention to it yet? This isn't theory. This isn't coming someday. It's already happening. Every single day, millions of people are opening tools like ChatGPT and asking questions like, what's the best way to make money online? Or what tool should I use for email marketing? Or how do I lose weight fast? And instead of scrolling Google, they're getting direct answers with specific recommendations, specific tools, specific links, specific offers. Now, here's the real question. Are those AI tools recommending you or your competition? Because whether you realize it or not, your future customers are already being sent somewhere. And if you're not showing up inside those AI answers, you might as well not exist. But here's where it gets really interesting, because there's a way to position yourself directly inside those AI recommendations without paid ads, without a website, without chasing algorithm. And once you're there, your traffic doesn't come from Google, it comes from AI automatically. This is what we call traffic assets, not content, not posts, not grind everyday marketing. These are simple assets strategically placed where AI tools already look. So when someone asks a question in your niche, you are what shows up. And here's what most people don't realize. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and others, they don't just make things up. They pull from specific platforms. They scan the platforms, they analyze, they select, and then they recommend. So if your traffic assets are positioned correctly, you don't chase traffic anymore. Traffic finds you. Now, if you've struggled to get traffic before, it's not your fault. You're playing the old game. SEO that can take months, or ads that eat up your budget, or algorithms that can change overnight. So by the time you figure it out, everything's been reset. Meanwhile, the new AI traffic layer is already here and most people haven't even noticed. That's exactly why we created Traffic Generator AI, a complete step-by-step system for creating and placing traffic assets. So AI tools start recommending your links every single day for free. Here's how it works. Step 1, we show you the exact 8 platforms that AI tools pull from. Step 2, you use simple templates to create traffic assets that are optimized for AI visibility. Step 3, you place them where it matters. So when someone asks, you show up. That's it. No complicated funnels, no technical skills, no constant posting. So imagine this, you create one traffic asset and weeks later, it's still being picked up, still being recommended, still sending you traffic from the AI tools, and doing it while you're doing something else. That's the shift. You go from chasing traffic to being positioned for traffic. Inside Traffic Generator AI, you get 8 platform playbooks, the AI visibility blueprint, ready-to-use prompts, and done-for-you traffic asset templates, as well as simple ways to check if you're showing up in the AI tools, plus lifetime access as it evolves. And today, you're not paying $197. You're getting instant access for just 17 bucks, less than a lunch, to tap into a traffic shift that's already happening. Because here's the reality, you can ignore this and keep fighting for attention the old way, or you can position yourself now while this window is still wide open. Click the button below, get instant access, and start building traffic assets that the AI tools cannot ignore.